Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Apple gift card for PUBG Mobile. So if you use your Apple gift card, so what you can do, simply redeem your Apple gift card on your app stores, like through your app store to your Apple ID. So open up your app store and then click on this profile here on your top right. Then you see an option called redeem gift card or code. So simply click on it, and then now what you're going to do, you're going to redeem your gift card to your Apple IDs. So once you have redeemed, so for example, so when you open up your app store here, so once you have redeemed, so you can either use your camera or to take a picture of your Apple gift card, or you can also manually enter the code of your gift card. So once you have done that, hit on redeem, and then that's it, your card will be redeemed and balance will be added to your Apple ID. So now that you have the balance on your Apple ID, so next time when you get to your PUBG and then make any purchases, any in-app purchases on PUBG, then it will go through your app store. And that's pretty much this. So you use your Apple gift card for PUBG Mobile. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.